Have you ever dreamt of retiring early? Imagine waking up without the rush of a 9 to 5 job, having the freedom to travel the world, or simply spending more time with your loved ones. Early retirement isn't just a fantasy, it's a goal that can be achieved with the right financial planning and investment strategies. Imagine a life with financial security and the freedom to spend your time as you please. Picture yourself enjoying leisurely activities, whether it's a walk on the beach, a hobby you've always wanted to pursue, or just relaxing in your dream home. Financial security means having the peace of mind to live life on your own terms. With Stock Smarts, we can help you turn that dream into a reality. Our program is designed to provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to navigate the stock market confidently. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, StockSmarts offers insights that can help you make informed decisions and grow your wealth. Let this video guide you on your journey to financial independence. With years of experience in the financial industry, I've seen firsthand how smart investing can transform lives. My goal is to share my expertise with you so you can achieve the financial freedom you've always wanted. We'll explore how to make the stock market work for you. From understanding market trends to identifying promising stocks, we'll cover everything you need to know to build a robust investment portfolio. Our step-by-step approach ensures that you can start investing with confidence regardless of your current financial situation. Investing wisely can be your ticket to a brighter future. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your investments grow and knowing that you're securing a better future for yourself and your family. With the right strategies, you can achieve financial milestones that once seemed out of reach. Let's unlock your financial potential together. Join us at StockSmarts and take the first step towards a life of financial independence and abundance. Together, we can turn your financial dreams into reality. The stock market might seem intimidating, but it's a powerful tool for wealth creation. By investing in companies you believe in, you become a part owner and share in their success. Over the long term, the stock market has consistently outperformed other investment options. This consistent growth makes it an ideal vehicle for reaching your financial goals, like that 20 million peso retirement fund. Reaching 20 million pesos in 10 years requires a strategic approach. First, determine your risk tolerance and investment timeline. Then, diversify your portfolio by investing in a mix of stocks across different sectors. Consider a combination of blue-chip companies with a proven track record and high-growth potential stocks. Remember, consistency is key. Regular contributions, even small ones, will compound over time, bringing you closer to your goal. Imagine waking up every morning without the pressure of a 9 to 5 job. Early retirement isn't just about financial freedom, it's about reclaiming your most valuable asset, time. With time on your side, you can pursue passions you've put on hold. Spend precious moments with loved ones, travel the world, or simply enjoy the freedom to do what you love when you want. Section 5. Time. The ultimate luxury money can't buy. Time is the one thing that no matter how much wealth you accumulate, you can never purchase more of. It's the great equalizer, the one resource that is distributed equally to everyone. Yet how we choose to spend it can make all the difference in our lives. We often chase money, but time is the ultimate luxury. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle, always striving for more wealth, more possessions, more status. But in the end, what truly matters is how we spend our time. Are we using it to create memories, to build relationships, to pursue our passions? You can always earn more money, but you can never get back lost time. Every moment that passes is a moment you can never reclaim. This is why it's so important to be mindful of how we spend our time. Reflect on the past, learn from it, but don't dwell on it. Instead, focus on making the most of the present and planning for a fulfilling future. Early retirement allows you to design a life where time is your most valuable asset. Imagine waking up each day with the freedom to choose how you spend your time. Whether it's traveling to new places, spending quality time with loved ones, or simply enjoying a good book in a hammock, the possibilities are endless when you have control over your time. Imagine having the freedom to attend your children's school events, to be there for every milestone, every achievement, every moment of joy. These are the moments that money can't buy, the moments that truly enrich our lives and create lasting memories. Volunteer for a cause you care about, to give back to your community and make a positive impact in the world. Volunteering not only benefits those you help, but it also brings a sense of fulfillment and purpose to your own life. Or simply enjoy a leisurely morning coffee. These small moments of peace and tranquility can be some of the most luxurious experiences in life. So, cherish your time, use it wisely, and remember that it's the ultimate luxury money can't buy. Running your own race, the road less traveled. Pursuing early retirement is a unique path, and not everyone will understand your choices. Friends and family might question your dedication to saving and investing. Remember, you're running your own race. Stay focused on your goals and tune out the naysayers. The freedom and fulfillment of early retirement will be well worth the journey. Lema, Section 7, take charge of your future. Resources for success. Want to learn more about investing and building your path to 20 million pesos? We've got you covered. Check out my books, the Stock Smarts books on the description below. Investing is not a matter of chance, but a matter of choice. We also host regular seminars and workshops to provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. Visit our website for more information. Section 8. Start your journey to financial freedom today. Don't wait for the right time to start investing. The perfect moment to begin is now. Every day you delay is a missed opportunity for your money to grow. Think about it. The earlier you start, the more time you give your investments to mature and yield returns. It's not about having a large sum to invest right away. It's about consistency and patience. Even small regular investments can lead to significant growth over time. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Just like a plant needs time to flourish, your investments need time to reach their full potential. Imagine watching your money grow steadily, transforming your financial landscape. It's a journey that requires dedication, but the rewards are worth it. The power of compounding interest means that your money can grow exponentially over time, turning modest investments into substantial wealth. With Stock Smarts, you can achieve your financial dreams and experience the joy of early retirement. Picture yourself enjoying the freedom to travel, pursue hobbies, or simply relax without financial worries. Early retirement isn't just a dream, it's a realistic goal with the right planning and investment strategy. Stock Smarts provides you with the tools and knowledge to make informed decisions, helping you navigate the complexities of the financial world. Remember, the power to shape your financial future lies within you. It's about taking control and making proactive choices. Your financial journey is unique, and with determination and the right guidance, you can achieve your goals. Visualize your success, create a plan, and stay committed. Every step you take brings you closer to financial independence. Take charge today and let Stock Smarts be your guide on the exciting journey to financial freedom. Embrace the challenge and remember that every great journey begins with a single step. With Stock Smarts by your side, you'll have the support and resources you need to succeed. Start now and watch as your financial dreams become a reality.